Well, good morning, everybody. Beautiful day. Okay, so I ended off yesterday's video, part 1 of 2 for the, of the pin. So we're going to kind of kick that off and we're going to get that going. But I just wanted to let you see the horses and my little Eva. She is such a sweetheart. She's so smart and she's fitting in so well. Okay, let's see what we got here. Hi, you guys. Hi. Hey, I know you want to go out. Hey, Ryder. Ryder. There's Hazel. Oh, hi, Hazel. There's all the poop. What's over there, buddy? Oh my goodness, what's that? What's over there? Let's go look. Well, I don't see anything. I think Ryder just wants to go out. So why don't we hi buddy. Come on, let me get by. Come on. Let me get by. Come on. I got the muck boots back on. I got them fixed. I got that shoe goo. Oh boy, that's good stuff. Good morning, you guys. Yes. Let's get you out. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Yeah. And that's the start of the morning. Look at Ryder. He's just happy. Yeah. We're gonna head over there and let the goats out, and then we're gonna do the rest of the video of the pin. So there's gonna be a little bit of magnetic finishing and some. Hey, Eva, no. A little bit of a gem setting, some red eyes, and some diamonds, and the finished piece. So let's get on with that. Have a great day. If you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button, make a comment, and probably close to 15,000 subscribers now, 250 videos, and I'm trying to make it entertaining and a little bit educational. So you guys, did you reach out and call a pal today? You got to do that. You got to check on your friends. All right, you guys, have a great day. One of my favorite pieces of equipment around here. We'll put it on for 40 minutes or so. We'll watch out and then get my fingers into the coffee, and I'll show you how that comes out. So you see how the little fine shot gets all in the background. So now this has got to be polished and cleaned and everything like that. But, you know, the amount of work that this machine does or a tumbler does is incredible. Okay, so if you have a studio or a shop, think about that. Now, you see it's not really a great texture. That all this is going to be polished and everything like that. But the background, it's very hard to get it like that manually. But if you have a little machine like this, look at the eye sockets, how all that's cleaned up. Okay, you guys. Okay, so you see how that came out. That comes up pretty nice, right? But I want to set some gems in the eyes and a few things like that. So you need a holder for it. And usually what the best thing is a pitch block. This piece of wood, put it on a bandsaw. It's oak. Oh yeah, it's oak. And I just drilled some holes in it to kind of line up this piece there. You see how that's up a little bit, so that'll support the 15. I want to put some things in there, and I want to set some eyes. So let's get that going. So I kind of got that where I want it. Now where's the pitch? Got a bag of pitch around here. Look at this. Okay. And don't be brave. What's that? That's a piece of pitch burning on the bench. Don't put your finger in it. Okay. You satisfied with that? You can touch this a little bit now, right? And then make sure that's all lined up the way you want it. And then just drop it into some cold water. Okay. That's okay. You see how the 15 is now being supported by the pitch, right? So if I want to do any hard work on that 15, like I'll do some gem setting, the wings are supported now, and so I could set the eyes in this thing. And this will go right into the pitch block. Okay, so where were we? And that'll go right into the ball vise. See how I've cut this? So where's my handle? And depending on what I want to start on first, like if I want to start on the eyes, you want the eyes to be in the center. So when you rotate this, they're in the center. Not the 15, we're not worried about that, but the eyes are in the center. So if you want to work around them. Okay, so throw your oats if you got it in. I want to put some holes through the eye sockets so that we can at least use the proper tools. Okay, we get a little bit of wax right there, it doesn't matter. Wax is a great lubricant. Okay. Oh, look at that. Now, look at that. Two nice holes. You see the holes? And now we need to find some gems. What size gems should we use? We're going to use red. Right? Fours? Fours might be a little too big. Let's try threes. Yeah, threes would be nice. So let's get a little tray. A little. Yeah. That's exactly what we're going to use. Okay, so we need to find something. That's the round burr. We don't need to change that one. And there's another hand piece here somewhere. Right there. I'm going to take that. That's pretty close to a 3. Yep. So is this camera still going? Oh yeah, okay, perfect. So go under the eyebrow. You getting that? Under the eyebrow. And then down. And so this is square. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. And it would help if I had another set of eyes on. Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay. And I just dived right in. Look at that's the one I want right there. Okay, I'm grabbing a piece of the metal. Oh, my head's not in the way. And I'm just going down so that I'm bringing up a bead over the eyebrow, over the lower eye. These gems, oh, that one's. And now I'm going to hammer down the eyebrow over it a little bit. This one here. Down the eye after I had done that. Okay, so you can see now those are nice and level. And just need a little bit of buffing, a little bit of cleaning up, and they're going to be great. Okay, so I set the red eyes, got them all nice. Set some diamonds in here. 15, set some diamonds in here, put a diamond in the mouth. Okay, now we're going to get it off the pitch block. Well, same way we put it on, same way we're going to get it off. Just like that. Now this is going to go into some methyl hydrate for a couple hours. And then it's going to get a final polishing. And she's going to look mint. Okay, so we've zoomed along. There's the methyl hydrate. Just like that. Don't do anything. Don't scrape it off. Don't do anything. Just put it in. Then put it into the ultrasound. Here. You see that? Well, I hope so. And then it just sits in the ultrasound. And the ultrasound's at 45 degrees. And turn it on. So the methyl hydrate isn't going to go anywhere. It's not going to go into the thing. You've got the lid on it. And after that soaks for, half an hour, 45 minutes, who knows, sometimes 10 minutes. Methyl hydrate's all off there. Then we'll just give it a good polish. Okay, good morning, everybody. Beautiful day. I think you can see I'm making a cup of coffee. Put a little Cremo in there. Where are we with this project? Hi, sweet. Look, I got the whole gang in the shop with me this morning. It is wet outside. It has been raining cats and dogs. The place is flooded. Not my house or anything like that, but the ground is just saturated. It's just saturated. And the water can't go anywhere. Okay, okay, so I took the pin out of the methyl hydrate. And then I put it into the ultrasound. Okay, so let's turn the ultrasound on for a minute. I don't know how that's going to sound. But, so you could see the ultrasound, the corner of the ultrasound. Okay, we've got the water. Because you know what, this project is just about, I'm going to say, besides a little bit of polish and everything like that, we could edit this video and it will be done. Oh my goodness. So let's hit the ultrasound now for another. If I had the steamer on, I'd steam this and I'd do all the nice things to it. My goodness. That pin is just neat. It needs a final polishing, and then that pin is done. So we went through the whole casting, the cutting off, some of the setting, the tumbler, the magnetic finisher, and I set diamonds here and there. Nice red gem eyes, a diamond in the muff. That's, I don't know if you can see, but that's mint. He's turned out great. Needs a final polishing, but you guys know about the polishing and then the ultrasound and the steaming, and then it goes into a little nice box, and then it gets some screws, the screws on the back here, and that is just one fabulous piece. Okay, you guys, if you like what I'm doing, you know, hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, and hit the like button and make a comment. Okay, you guys, have a great day. So that's let's wrap this video up. I got the dogs in the studio with me today. Look at, there's old Jack just sitting there. He is such a good boy. Right, Jack? And who's that next to him? Tia. And remember what I always say, if you have animals, you're their whole world. Be kind to them. And did you reach out to somebody and call them today? All right, you guys. Okay, it turned out perfect. Needs a good polishing still, and beautiful.